Super excited to be here in Perth, lovely city, for the Founders Factory Residency Week.
What surprised me most about the program is the broad impact that it's got and how connected Founders Factory are into so many different ecosystems.
The opportunity to meet in person, it just can't be beaten when you have the chance for founders to connect with each other, learn from each other, share their stories, share their pain points. But it's also critically important for coming closer together with partners.
My favorite part has been actually meeting the other founders and just seeing that they're facing the similar challenges.
I find the biggest value of being together here in Perth, just meeting everyone and these social connections that we're making.
When organisations start to work with startups, they can have a completely fresh outlook on innovation and actually potentially embed some of these technologies into their organisations. And from a startup's perspective, the time to market is obviously a big challenge. And if you can have a way of potentially accelerating that by working with industry, then naturally that can help them go further faster.
The impromptu interactions, the conversations, the things that you learn between the lines have been great.
I think that do all that you possibly can to make sure that you get involved, because the ability of the program to be able to unlock different doors for you, to be able to challenge your way of thinking, will only do one thing, and that is significantly help you along your journey.